Poolwerx is the largest pool service company in the world with over 600 service vans. We create happy, safe memories for families around the backyard. We do retail and service and maintenance and renovations and hot tubs and spas and e-commerce. We pretty well do everything for you. We're all about our franchise partners. In fact, we have a number of corporate values, but the most important one is increasing our franchise partners' profit every year. We were one of the first companies in the pool industry to embrace technology for running our business. Unfortunately, that technology didn't evolve. We knew we needed a whole of business ERP platform to take our business into the future. It was fundamental to choose an ERP technology platform that would enable us to speak the same language back of house across our business globally. And NetSuite does that. So the first three products that we've introduced, which have made the biggest impact on our franchise partners, is the NetSuite point of sale system, which makes the transactional part of the business over the counter faster and leaner and meaner. The service management, so we can do our scheduling and routing and know where trucks are. And the final part is having just a fantastic back of house inventory financial control. I mean, this is going to put us so far in front of anybody else in our industry on the globe, which protects our franchisees' businesses and increases the value of their businesses. I've already recommended NetSuite to quite a number of my peers. When I think about the impact it's going to have on our future, it's fundamental.
Hey, if you like this video, don't forget to comment, rate, review, and subscribe.